Do you feel like you have too many business ideas and no clue which one you're supposed to actually focus on? I mean, truth be told, look, you've been overthinking your niche and the people you're supposed to serve for so long that you're just stuck. Well, friend, it is time to get unstuck because in this video, I'm going to be giving you one Claude prompt. Yep, just one that's going to give you clarity on exactly who you've been called to serve and who you're going to help in your business. Because if you've been trying to build a business for everybody, what ends up happening is that you are not making money from anybody, okay? You cannot build a business for everybody and expect to be successful. And because we don't do free hobbies here, we are not about to have you running your business like that. If you're new here, welcome. I am Erica, founder of AI Business U, where we help you implement simple AI strategies that get real results so that you can have a profitable online business that allows you to create a life for you and your family that you absolutely love, all right? Because if you are still watching, then I know that you have been ready to start a business. You have the skills, you have the knowledge, you know that life has given you lessons that you truly can use to impact the lives of others. That is who you are, and you are ready to tap into it. But every single time you try to figure out exactly how you're going to do it, who you're going to help, your brain starts to just go in circles. It is all over the place. You get 50 million ideas at a time. Or I won't even speak for you. I'll tell you that a few years ago when I felt stuck in the world of education, that's exactly how I felt. I didn't know if I should be serving other teachers, if I should be serving mothers. My husband had went through a cancer journey. Praise God that he is well. But that made me say, okay, should I serve wives that are now in this role of being caregivers? You are multi-talented. You have so many skills, so many expertise that you just don't know which direction to go, which is why you keep changing your mind. You keep feeling like anything you create is just random. It's not all coming together. You've been watching YouTube, done been down a rabbit hole, still haven't implemented anything yet. Well, friend, trust and believe that that version of you, the one who is confused, the one who is overwhelmed about where to start their business, that version of you is about to get kicked to the curb today. Today, because you are going to enter the ONE Claude prompt that is going to give you clarity on who you are going to help in your business. And once you get clear on who you've been called to serve, then everything else after that starts to make sense. It's almost like seeing a puzzle, the whole picture in the beginning, knowing exactly where you're going. Once you can identify who that person is, what they're struggling with, then it becomes much easier to tap into your own expertise and figure out how you are going to serve them. Now, in order to make that happen, you got to pull up Claude. Yup, seriously. Like, stop what you're doing, pull up Claude right now. I'm going to do the same, and I'm going to drop the prompt. You're going to drop it, and it is going to truly give you the clarity that you've been missing. Let's go. Okay, now that you've got Claude up, I want you to drop this prompt. I want to start an online business, but I'm not exactly sure who to serve. Here's what I'm good at and what I love. So here, you're going to replace list 3 to 5 things, and you're going to actually list 3 to 5 things about yourself. Okay, so what I put was I'm a 20-year educator, good at teaching. I've co-authored a children's book with my daughter. I love talking legacy and generational wealth. And I love helping other stressed out professionals use their expertise to start a business. And so once you've listed your 3 to 5 things, you're going to hit send. And what Claude is going to do is give you 3 possible target customers, 3 audiences that you can work with. And so it's going to give you the problem. It's going to explain how you can use your expertise in order to help that specific audience. And so now we see it coming up. It has given me, of course, burnt out teachers who want help, which goes right with the expertise that I shared. Audience 2 is professionals who want to build generational wealth for their family. And then audience 3 are credentialed professionals who want to consult or coach. And so it is going to ask you at that point, which of these feels most like you? And so for this example, I am going to go with audience 2, which was the professionals who want to build generational wealth for their family. And so from there, once you choose your audience, now you're going to get clear on who exactly these people are. What are their pain points? And sometimes Claude just gives it to you today. It's asking me some specific questions. So it's asking me, who do I most naturally connect with? I'm going to say any burnt out professional with a degree. What's the outcome that they want? Create passive income so that they can work less, leave money for their kids, build a business, all of these. And where are they on their journey? Total beginner, no business yet, have an idea but hasn't started something but is not making money, making some money but no real system. Really, I'm going to tell Claude all of the above. All right, and so now that I've answered Claude's questions, it is going to give me my audience snapshot. So it's telling me who they are, what they feel. They're behind. They feel like they should have started sooner. They're one emergency away from financial stress. What do they want? Income that doesn't stop when they stop. A business their kids can see, touch, or one day be a part of. A legacy that's real, not just conversation. If you are feeling me right now, AI Business U is for you. What's stopping them? They don't know how to turn what they know into something they can sell, and they don't have time to figure it out from scratch. All right. And so, as you can see, you are going to break down your audience. It's going to tell you exactly what your niche is. And so if you have been struggling to figure out your niche, if you have let that keep you stuck, today is the day to get unstuck. And to make this whole process as simple as possible, you can find the exact prompt inside of this free Claude guide on ClaudeForSolopreneurs.com. So it's the 5 Claude prompts to help you finally get clear on your niche and offer. When you click inside of the guide, you are going to find those 5 steps, and each step has its own prompt. So what we went through today was prompt 1, get clear on who you help. And so like I said at the very beginning, you're going to just copy this prompt. So hit that copy button. You're going to go back into Claude. And from there, once you paste it, just change the 3 to 5 things, make them about who you are. And from there, you will find out the exact audience that you have been called to serve. Take your time as you're going through the choices. Make sure that you choose a topic, not that, looks good. You want to choose what really lights you on fire. What is the topic that you would teach people, that you would talk about, even if they weren't paying you? And I'm not saying that they not, because we don't do free here. We don't do hobbies. But even if they weren't, you love this topic so much that you would teach it anyways, right? That is where I want you to begin. So choose the audience, Choose the problem that truly lights you on fire. And when you do that, join us inside of AI Business. The link is below, and share with me the exact audience that you have been called to serve. I am so excited for you. Cannot wait to witness you achieve success and truly create a life that you and your family absolutely love. Let's do it.